Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. That is a 14 by 14 inch canvas. I have colors left in the bottom of a pan and a shovel. And I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with them yet, but no paint chips allowed. I think I'm going to give myself some Artist Loft White as a base. A bunch of it. And some Meeden black. And then, because I can, I will spread it around to a degree. To give myself some coverage on the canvas. I may tip to see where what is left goes. I like the dribble, so I did a double dribble. Now that's my majority of paint. I have colors I did not use a lot of. Oh, I've got some beautiful gold in there. I'm going to put some fluorescent pink in there, along with a little bit of pink diamond. That's the Color Art Prism Pour. And some electric blue from Arteza. And some gold. And some Venetian blue. I do like doing these very weird pours. Hopefully I'll get lucky. Again, I need to throw a little bit of orange in there. And I think some lighter orange in there, because I think lighter orange is a better idea. Although, now that I see it, I'm not as sure. So let's go halfway. I'm going to throw a little bit of my Anita's White Metallic in there. And I'm just going to start. I think I have an edge catcher around here. I just want to use all my colors without telling you what they are sometimes. That's my Purple Flash from Folk Art. I want enough colors so that I can tip this around. That's a dioxazine purple. I'm being called to emerald green. If I can find it, I'll use it. I haven't used it today. Maybe because I have some greens left. I guess we'll see. Sometimes I want to just leave these things alone. No, I have no idea what I'm doing, but I figure if I start and I see something that inspires me, I'll just go for it. My leftover colors are from a shovel pour. And they are absolutely beautiful. I did not realize I had made up way too many colors. And I have just about used these up. I could scrape out the dish with my OXO omelet turning spatula. And I think I'm going to use my Princeton Artil Catalyst spatula because I can't stand the idea of wasting those beautiful colors I see. And then I can put my spatula, excuse me, my shovel in the bucket. Oh, that's glop. Okay, that might have been a mistake. I'm going to put some blue in that green. I think. I hope that's the right call. It's locked up tight. It's in a bottle that doesn't want to be squeezed out. And hopefully I shook that enough. That is an island blue from Arteza. No, from Anita's. And I'll leave that to the side. I really want to take some of this cell activator and see what it looks like. Right now. And where's my black? There it is. I see this over here has gaps. I might just continue adding. Oh, I dribbled. Let's take the black. I know it seems kind of random, and it is a little random, for sure. Wish I'd used some hotter pink in the center. Sometimes miracles happen. I'm not seeing one yet, but I'm still hopeful. That's the flash and the dioxazine. I'm thinking I better pay attention quick or I might have a mistake on my hands. Then again, you never know. I'm being called to red. Why am I being called to red? That's not red. I could have sworn that was red when I picked it up. Okay, well, never mind. Let's just keep going. As long as I don't hide the paint, the cell activator on myself. That's purple cell activator. It's just Hobby Lobby Master's Touch. Well, I have enough paint, and I have enough strange stuff going on. This I kind of like, kind of not sure it's done yet. That's definitely not done yet, because I've got paint around my edge. I wasn't expecting to leave any of the black and the white in the background, but I'm so not done. I'm still playing with the squeeze bottles and the cell activator. Sometimes the oddest combinations create the most bizarre and cool effects. I am thinking I want to try some of that pink diamond, but I'm not sure if I'm ready to blow it out or not. And I could really wreck these and tilt. I'm not looking for anything uniform. I'm just looking for something bizarre and cool, and I feel like I'm sort of getting it. This over here is bugging me though. These things are really great for just trying out whatever comes to mind, in my opinion, at least, right at the moment. Wow, I love the blue, but I can't believe it swallowed everything in its path. It's usually something that sinks away. Where's my skewer? Well, I'm getting closer. I think I'm going to give myself a little green gold. Stop expecting anything rational. I really need to go turn off that music in the other room. Hopefully you can't hear it. Might just be a loud TV, I'm not sure. I think I want something else over here. That is some of my old hot orchid. And I'm going to do both black and white. With some simple flowers. That's looking kind of fun though. Where's my emerald green? I need to take 20 seconds. Hello? Can you turn the music down, please? There, hopefully that will cure my problem. I'm just interested in making some random marks and moving some colors around and making a very abstract piece of artwork. And I seem to be succeeding at creating something odd, at least. And maybe beautiful. Still. And I got rid of my leftovers. This is bugging me over here. Yes, I didn't put any cell activator in there, and I wasn't meaning to. And like I said, I do enjoy combining colors and seeing what the reaction is. I have a little bit of paint still on my spatula. I like it. I do. I'm not unhappy with this at all. I might be touching up my edges for a few minutes. This is a little confusing to me, but I think I can fix it with the correct end. I think I could put a bunch of stuff in here. That actually looks like something. I hope. That was a mistake, but I think I can still meld it. I'm just sort of winding my skewer around in there. I think this is going to become something else. Hopefully more interesting, or just plain interesting. Alright, I got 2 minutes to tell you guys I do sell my artwork. And if you're looking for my email address to contact me to get some information, it's right under the link tree. The link tree is where you can find my Amazon link, and my Pinterest, my Instagram, my Twitter links, and my Facebook groups. I'm just messing with my fingers in this. Alright, I love you guys. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for the comments to keep my morale boosted. I really appreciate them very much. And thank you for watching longer. This is cool. This is a bloom, not a bloom, bloom, not a bloom. And I'm just going to keep messing with it until I'm happy. But I'm going to try and convince both of us, you and me both, that I'm pretty happy, other than covering my edges. I like the white down here and the black up there. What should I tell you guys? There is a monthly drawing, and the paintings that are the prizes in the drawing are included at the beginning of the exhibition video. It's on the end screen of, should be every video, but maybe only recent videos, because I haven't gotten around to it yet. Sorry about that. If you have questions, please ask. If you're looking for my paint pouring recipe, it's underneath the video. I should zoom in. That's pretty cool. I should really zoom in. That's gorgeous. Better up from up here. Just totally abstracted, blown out flowers, cell activator, leftover paints. Just sort of crazy. Should I go in down there? I have a hard time moving my camera mount right at the moment. I have it taped up actually, strangely enough. Alright, so PayPal icon is on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and also the link is on the link tree. And if you use the PayPal application or link and make a donation to help keep the studio rocking, I really appreciate that. But that's what will get you an invitation to be included in the monthly drawing. Automatically, in fact, when I see that you did that. What else can I tell you? I have Teespring clothing, our spring clothing, below the video. And if you can't find what you're looking for on any of my sites, just ask me, and sometimes I can add things. Pixels.com, Fine Art America, definitely. Spring clothing, definitely. My Legallerist is the top link on the link tree. That's investment quality clothing made in Montreal. I have not added all of the designs I can add yet, so someday soon, hopefully, I'll get busy and do that. I don't see any more canvas. Yeah, I'm happy with all the weird shapes, and I'm happy with you guys. Thank you for inspiring the heck out of me. I love you much. Look for my playlists on my YouTube channel by going to Playlists, All Playlists, Created Playlists. If you need something, just ask me. I have everything organized by topic and genre and by the 100, and there are 2,200. There are 22 lists of 100. Ah, what did I not tell you? My Amazon link has 2 books on it. I wrote 2 books.